All right. It's time to create the custom clipper class in order to add a custom curve to the app bar. We'll place this class in the helper folder. Right-click on the helper folder, new Dart file. Let's call this file clippers. Want to add it to GitHub? Yes. Let's import our material. All right, let's declare the class. Let's call it oval clipper upper, which extends a custom clipper. And what type? A type of path. Excellent. Let me show you a few things here. It already says, you need to override. You have two missing overrides. You can just click on create two missing overrides, and it'll give us the template of what we need to do. So let's implement this first. The get clip. All right. So the first thing we want to do is declare the path, right? So we'll call it path equals path. Excellent. Next, we want to take the path and we want to draw a line, right? Line 2. And it's from X to Y from top to bottom. X will be 0, which will be on the upper left. And the Y, we want to go down to the size height, which would be, in our case, the height of the app bar. Perfect. Next, we want to do the path, the arc-to point. There we go. So what do we want to do? Let me put a semicolon to close it out. So the first is the offset. And it's going to be dx, dy. So it's going to be from the x. So we just went a line up to down to the app bar. Now we want to go from where we are on the height of the app and go up towards the right side, all the way to the width of the device. So we want to start from the size width to the size height. And then we'll do the optional radius. Let me move the mouse out of the way here. So we will do the radius, and we want to do an elliptical. And we want to do the size, width, and we want to divide this by 4. You can play with different ratios. I found that this works really well. And now, the next part, we need to close it out because we went from top to bottom. We arced. Now we need to close it to go from all the way to the right side of the device upwards and close. So we'll do the path, line 2, and we want to do the, where's the X? We want to do the, at the end of the device width, which will be size, width, and we're going to, from the Y, we want to go all the way up to 0. Excellent. And then we just need to return the path. Now let's implement also here the should reclip. And what we'll do, we're just going to say just a plain false. We do not need to worry about this. We're not watching for any changes or anything. Let's take out this empty line. Let us save. Let us push to GitHub. We'll commit. So we'll say added the oval clipper upper custom clipper class to apply a curve, a upper curve to the reviews list app bar. All right, let's commit and push. Push. Pushed, one commit. Excellent job. You'll learn how to create a custom clipper class to create a custom curve. Next, you'll add the app bar to the reviews list page, implementing the custom clipper class.